Welcome to 647 Emma Loop in Southwest Austin. I'm Kathleen Magat, and I can't wait to show you the single-level property that's in the Reunion Ranch neighborhood.
This home has an impressive curb appeal with lush, mature landscape, covered front porch, and beautiful stone and stucco facade. Just under 2,900 square feet, this home sits on a greenbelt lot, which means there are no back neighbors. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a flex room, and 2 covered patios. One that's located at the back of the home and another that's right off the kitchen so you can enjoy the large backyard. Here is the heart of the room, the expansive great room. This open concept design is perfect for modern living and entertaining, allowing for effortless interaction between family and guests. Whether you're relaxing by the fire, preparing a gourmet meal, or hosting a dinner party, this great room offers the perfect backdrop for every occasion. The kitchen has white cabinets, a large service island, and ample countertop and cabinet space.
That concludes our property tour, and I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, real estate isn't about houses. It's about finding the property that you can call home. So if you have any questions about this home or any similar homes in the area, please reach out. My contact information is on the screen. I'm Kathleen Magat, your Austin real estate agent. Until next time.